everyone. We're going to show that sine of sine inverse of v plus cosine inverse of v equals 1. We're going to use our sum and difference formula. So we have alpha plus beta. So let's do that. And we're going to be using this formula here. All right. So that alpha equals sine inverse sine of v. So that means sine of alpha equals v. Beta equals inverse cosine of v. Therefore, cosine of beta equals v. That just means sine of alpha equals cosine of beta, basically. Sine of alpha equals cosine of beta, because v equals v. Now, to get the, what else do we need? We have our sine of alpha, so we need cosine of alpha. Cosine of alpha is the square root of 1 minus sine squared of alpha. So that's just going to be square root of 1 minus v squared. I just substituted in my sine. And sine of beta equals square root of 1 minus cosine squared of beta. And it's the same thing, 1 minus v squared, because of this phenomenon. So, using your formula, we have sine of alpha plus beta equals sine of alpha cosine of beta plus cosine of alpha sine of beta. So sine of alpha is v times cosine of beta is v plus both of these are just these, so just multiply those. 1 minus v squared times square root of 1 minus v squared. This is going to equal v squared, and this is going to be 1 minus v squared square root squared. So when you square the square roots, you're going to end up getting, I'm going to leave a little space here so we don't lose all our information, v squared plus 1 minus v squared. Because this the square root just gives you 1 minus v squared. And what happens is the v squares cancel, and we get this equals 1, which is our desired result. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.